How to use Slack sections to organize channel. First, you want to simply open the Slack application. Inside your Slack app, what you want to do is you want to simply go to your workspace over here. Inside your workspace, what you want to do is you want to simply create sections over here describing any kinds of section that you want to organize in order. After that, you can simply tap on add teammates over here. If you wanted to add teammates as well, you can simply first go to channel section over here. Inside your channel section, you would be able to add your channels over here, and what you basically want to do is you want to give name to the each channels over here, so that you'd be able to find content that you want on the each selected channels over here as well. For example, if I go to the random section, all of the random things will be found over here on the channel. However, if I had any kinds of section called general or important over here, you'd be able to simply open that section and you'd be able to see all kinds of important content over there. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.